So you want to position for influence and attract limitless opportunities online. How do you get started? Before we get into the how, you deserve to know this truth. Our dreams are merely dreams if we don't have the right resources, or if we are not using our resources to take the right action. So I remember seeing this viral video of young boys of around 3 to 7 years old on a racetrack, and as soon as the umpire blew his whistle, they all started running. However, one of the boys caught my attention. He was running so fast. But the problem was he was running so fast in the wrong direction. Even the supervisor could not catch up with him to make him change course. The point of that story is this. We might have the resources and we might be taking action. But if we are not taking action in the right direction, we won't get the results that we desire. One of the powerful resources we have in this day and age is the internet. And using it the right or wrong way can be the difference between you unlocking influence, attracting opportunities, or increasing your income or not. I recently received an email from the founder of one of the brands I respect. It read, "You come in highly recommended. We've been trying to reach you." That single email blew my mind and it blew my account. It gave me the opportunity to work on a campaign that did 12 million plus within 14 days, and it earned me 2.6 million naira. I share this experience with you because people patronize and recommend who they know, like, and trust. The person who recommended me to that founder must have experienced or seen my good work before recommending me. And two, the same way you live in print when you walk on a beach, that's exactly the same way your post, the way you interact with people, the way you work, and the way you deliver your product or services lives in print online and in the minds of the people that you interact with. So if you're a skilled professional who would like to attract well-paying customers, or you're a business owner who would like to make your business more visible, impactful, and profitable, perhaps you're an employee looking to be more valuable to your employer so you can get promoted, get a raise, or land a better job opportunity, you need to pay attention to your imprint. There are 3 key things you need to consider if you want to use your digital presence to build trust, attract income earning opportunities, and build your influence. The first thing is your ability. You need to be good at something. The next thing is your credibility. You need to be known to be good at something. And the last thing is visibility. You need to be seen to be good at something. It's in being good at something and using what you're good at to deliver value that you build your credibility and get people to mention you in rooms filled with opportunities. So here's how to position for influence, attract opportunities, and earn more with your ability. Number 1, you need to define what you're good or passionate about that your potential customers or employers will find valuable. So that can be copywriting, it can be design, it can be storytelling, it can be photography, anything that you're good at that people literally always come to you for. Now, if you're confused and you can't describe what you're good at because you have multiple interests or passions, then you can try this exercise. First, you want to list all the things that you're good at or passionate about that people always come to you for help with. Then you want to make a list of what you could get paid for doing. And lastly, you want to make a list of what the world needs or what people have challenges with around you with respect to the 2 lists that you've made so far. The goal of this exercise is to find a common theme that all your skills, your passions, or interests can serve. You might have to try this exercise over and over again until you get clarity. But that's a surefire way for you to narrow your focus and use your passion, your interest, and everything that you're good at to serve a particular purpose. Now, the second thing you need to do to position for influence, attract opportunities, and earn more with your ability is to sharpen your axe. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 10 says, "If the axe is dull and it does not sharpen its edge, then it must exert more strength. But wisdom to sharpen the axe helps him succeed with less effort." What does this mean for you? It means that if you want to become relevant in your industry, if you want to earn a competitive salary, if you want to stand out from your competitors, you need to find ways to sharpen your axe. You need to find ways to improve your skills and build your competence. You need to find ways to learn new skills and update your knowledge. That's how you remain relevant and stay top of the game in your industry. So here are some tips to help you sharpen your axe and build your competence. 1, list the top 3 to 4 skills you need to be one of the best in your industry or marketplace. 2, if you don't know the skills you need to have, you can insert this prompt into ChatGPT or any search engine of your choice to get a list of skills you need. And lastly, You want to dedicate 1 quarter per year to building one skill. You can get courses, books, or mentorship that target just one skill before you move to another skill. So that way you can get to actually finish courses when you buy them. I know you know what I mean. And you can get to read books to the end. And by the end of the year, you can also track your progress. So to recap, if you want to build your influence, attract opportunities, and earn more, you need to remember that 1, your actions leave imprints. 2, you need 3 key things to build your influence and personal brand online. First is your ability. Second thing is your credibility. And the last thing is visibility. Lastly, you need to clarify what you're good at, and you need to continually sharpen your skills if you want to become so valuable that opportunities will be running after you. Did you get value? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I will show you the exact strategies you need to stand out online and attract incoming opportunities.